Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Whip It Like Butter. It's your girl Ashley, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious cheeseburger sliders. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to show y'all how it's done. Let's go. Okay, so y'all see my sliders here, but I also had to go ahead and get some sour cream and onion chips to go with it. And of course, we didn't put pickles on the burger, but I gotta have some pickles with my burgers. Okay, so of course, y'all know we like to keep it simple over here. So these cheeseburger sliders only took a few ingredients. We had our beef and our onion and our seasonings. And although we use Hawaiian Rolls, I thought it would be really cute to put these sesame seeds on top. You can buy sesame seeds at your local grocery store. Just sprinkle them on top. And they really make them look like cheeseburgers. Aren't they so cute? Let me go ahead and get this cheeseburger on in this camera for y'all. Let me do, there we go. Yes, hunty. Okay. I'm too excited about this cheeseburger. Now, if you don't like onions, of course you can leave the onions out. Maybe you still like the onion flavor. You can add a little more onion powder, or you can cut your onions up a little finer. So, you know, they're not as big. But when you fry them up with that meat, they kind of cook down. I'm not like a huge onion fan, but if they cook, baby, they fine with me. Let me get a pickle. Great combination. Y'all, and I'm gonna take some of these onions off. Y'all don't judge me. Anyway, I don't like too much, but I have to put it on there for flavor. These are, man, so moist. The Hawaiian Rolls definitely make for a moist burger. We used beef. This is not about a 75-25. Don't use anything too lean, because you want that moisture in that meat to make for a juicier burger. And of course, we put that butter on top. That melted butter. It is so soft and fluffy. You ready for a party or for your family, just for a weeknight meal. I don't have a family, but I do. I wouldn't call it meal prep. I cook a lot. I cook big, so I have leftovers. So this would definitely be good for me to have for dinner. And then again for lunch. You store these in an airtight container, or wrap them up in foil. Place these in the microwave the next day. Probably about 30 seconds, a little more, however you like. Still bomb. These chips, they're a good combination. I almost got barbecue. But I was like, if I get barbecue, I'm gonna want a barbecue sandwich. And we having cheeseburgers, so I ain't need all that. These are good. I probably like some plain chips. Pickles on the side. Definitely bussin'. Like a pickle spear, that would be good too. On the side, definitely bussin'. Oh, let me show y'all the bottom of them, y'all. So I didn't grease the bottom of the pan. I don't think it's needed. I have a pretty good pan. You pouring butter on them. There's butter in the Hawaiian roll. You see, I don't have any problem with them sticking. So let me show y'all the back. Nice and toasty. So, unless you have like, you're using maybe foil or something like that. You don't need it. Oh, these sesame seeds, it's just slightly crunchy. Them things a nice addition, okay? I think the burger's so cute. Okay. So let's talk about when I cut the buns. Y'all saw those buns was crooked, okay? One thing about Whip It Like Butter over here, I try to keep it real. I'm not a machine, I'm a person. I try to cut evenly. I ain't always good at cutting evenly. I'm not going to throw away the whole recipe over it. It came out fine. I do recommend that you use a serrated knife just because it's edgy and it makes it easier for cutting your bread. You can, I've seen people where they pull the bread apart. One, ain't got time for that. Just cut, you can cut on one side and then cut on one side, meet in the middle. And that may be easier. But sometimes the cut comes out straight, sometimes it don't. We keep it rolling over here. But yeah, that's what I pride myself with. I Whip It Like Butter. And that's what makes us stand out different from everybody else. Our food looks like food. If I make some pancakes, for example, and we do have a pancake recipe, I don't use anything too crazy. Okay, not too crazy. I don't use nothing at all. Sorry, y'all, my camera did something crazy. But not nothing too crazy. I don't use nothing at all to enhance the food over here. The food is the food. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna save my appetite just for this. But yeah, if it's not perfect, I'll roll with it. If it's something, of course, that's gonna alter the recipe or it doesn't taste good, I'm not gonna put it out there. But if it's just like a little imperfection, we gonna roll with it. Because when y'all make these recipes, hold on. When y'all make these recipes, I want them to look like the recipe. Of course, I use a professional camera to take the pictures with. Excuse me, things of that nature. But I don't use heavy filters. The food is the food. I want you to make the food. You know what I mean? And I want your food to look like how my food was. Of course, everybody's not going to look exactly the same. But close to it. Like, I'm not going to make it look so perfect that it looks like it's something bought in the store. Because homemade food don't look like that, honey. No ma'am, no sir. It don't. But this one right here is a winner. I'm not a basketball fan, but if you in the game day, like we have March Madness going on right now. Perfect recipe for that. Football. You know what? These are actually good too, because my burgers have cooled down. These are actually good like this. So if you don't mind your burger cool down, like if you're having a day at the lake, I love going to the lake. If you're having a day at the lake, you want something different than cold cuts, regular cold cuts, these burgers are a good idea too. You know, just wrap them up properly and take them with you. And I definitely recommend using the cheddar. Okay, so the bottom layer was sharp cheddar, the slices, and the top layer was shredded. Mild though. I definitely recommend the balance. It's not too overbearing. It's not too cheesy. It's just right. Okay, y'all. As you see, the plate was clean. The recipe is busting. I haven't been doing a lot of smiling because I get serious about eating. I'm just going to town. But believe me, I'm satisfied. So you know what I want y'all to do. I want you to go ahead and get in the description box below and go ahead and get this recipe so you can enjoy it for yourself. And always join us back here for more at Whip It Like Butter. Don't be stingy. Make sure you share this recipe and that you like it. And we'll catch y'all later. Bye.